Hello, this is Thamizharasu, your trusted business coach. Today we are going to delve into the world of capital expenditure or CapEx, a critical concept in business finance. By the end of this video, you will have a well-rounded understanding of CapEx, its comparison with OpEx, its role in business growth, and how to calculate it. Let's get started.
1. Understanding the concept of capital expenditure, CapEx. Capital expenditure or CapEx is the money spent by companies to purchase, maintain, or improve their long-term assets such as buildings, machinery, or technology. In other words, if a company is putting money into assets that provide value for more than 1 year, that's CapEx. 2. Differentiating between capital expenditure, CapEx, and operating expenditure, OpEx. Now, let's differentiate between CapEx and OpEx. While CapEx refers to investments in long-term assets, operating expenditure or OpEx is the money spent on the day-to-day operations of a business. It includes things like salaries, utilities, and maintenance. 3. The fundamental importance of capital expenditure, CapEx, in business growth. Moving on to the importance of CapEx in business growth. CapEx is a signal that a company is investing in its future growth. A company that consistently spends on CapEx is likely expanding its capacity, improving its operations, or investing in new technology that will increase its productivity. 4. Breaking down the major elements of capital expenditure, CapEx. Breaking down the major elements of CapEx, it generally includes purchases of new equipment, improvements of existing equipment, software upgrades, or acquiring new businesses. All these investments are aimed at increasing the company's profitability in the future. 5. The direct impact of capital expenditure, CapEx, on companies' financial statements. CapEx also has a direct impact on a company's financial statements. It shows up as an investment on a company's cash flow statement and as an asset on the balance sheet. Over time, these assets depreciate, impacting the company's income statement. 6. How to calculate capital expenditure, CapEx, effectively. If you are an investor, business owner, or just a finance enthusiast, understanding how to calculate capital expenditure, CapEx, is critical. So, how to calculate CapEx effectively? The formula is quite straightforward. CapEx equals current PP&E, previous PP&E, plus depreciation. This formula will give you a clear picture of a company's investments in its business. 7. The role of capital expenditure, CapEx, in strategic business decision-making. One of the critical areas of such decision-making involves capital expenditure, CapEx. Understanding CapEx can help businesses make informed decisions about their long-term investments and evaluate the potential return on these investments. 8. Real-world examples of capital expenditure, CapEx. Take Apple, for example, a company known for its high CapEx. They constantly invest in their production facilities, technological advancement, and innovative products, leading to their global success. 9. The interplay between capital expenditure, CapEx, and cash flow in businesses. High CapEx can lead to decreased cash flow in the short term. But if these investments lead to higher productivity or profitability, they will increase cash flow in the long run. 10. Potential risks and benefits of high capital expenditure, CapEx. While high CapEx could mean that a company is investing in its future, it also represents high risk, especially if these investments do not generate the expected returns. Capital expenditure, or CapEx, is a critical element in maintaining and growing any successful enterprise. Investing in long-term assets such as equipment, facilities, or modern technologies can boost productivity, increase efficiency, and provide competitive advantages. However, it's crucial to plan and manage this investment strategically, as it has a significant impact on a company's financial health, cash flow, and future growth. That's all for today's deep dive into CapEx. If this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more business insights.